3, 2, 1. Welcome to 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. This series is all about doing a 5-minute quick workout on my 15-minute break, hence the name. All right, so we're going to start off here with some low planks. Now, you could follow along over here for different variations based on your fitness level, but you guys seem to really like the ab workout last week, so I'm going to do another one this week. So if you're new to the series, it's where I bridge the gap. These workouts are meant to bridge the gap between not working out and working out. So if you're at a position now where you want to get in better shape, want to get in better health, but you don't know where to start, say you're overwhelmed, there's so many different options, this is a good spot to start because I usually focus on full body movements or exercises that you don't need equipment for that you could kind of round out your whole body with. And it's a great spot to get you started because that is the hardest part, is starting. It's very overwhelming if you don't know where you're supposed to start. Okay, so we're just going on to the second exercise now. Every single round is a minute. Now we're gonna do a crossover toe touch. If you wanted to regress this, you can just do a bent leg and a reach. A bent and a reach, but ideally try to keep your legs straight as much as you can. You're gonna feel these in your core, your oblique. If you really want to challenge, you can keep your feet up off the ground. Let me take an eye on the timer here. Okay, we're still good. So these workouts are really meant to be a quick burst. Doesn't take much to feel them. All right, third exercise is going to be a starfish crunch here. Now, you could start off with just bringing your feet in or your legs. Try to keep your knees together. All the way out, all the way in. Ideally, you keep your heels off the ground, but if you need to tap them down, then you may do so. And then you could start adding different movements to it, putting your hands into the equation as well. All right, and then you could just combine it. Well, keep the leg raised, and then a big crunch in the middle. Big crunch. All right. Hopefully I'm not making too much noise here. Okay, so let's keep it going. Squeeze, squeeze. So, like I said, 1 minute first round, 40 seconds the second round. And then all that rounds out times 3 to make the time of 5 minutes. All right, we're going back now to the first exercise, which is that up, up, down, down. Now, if you wanted to start off, you could, of course, be modified on your knees. And then you could do elbows to hands. Of course, the progression to that would be up on your toes, but you could kind of work your way up to it and have like a middle ground where you're using one knee to stabilize, okay? Then the second exercise, we're going back into, oh yeah, it was the toe touches, okay. See, half the battle for me is remembering what to do. That's why these workouts are great. You just show up, you get it done. All right, so like I said, you could do a elbow, you could do a reach. Ideally, you want to do straight legs, or you could just keep your feet up. You'll really feel that one. So it's only 40 seconds now, and I'm going to get ahead of the third exercise here, which is the crunch. I think I went over all the basics of it. But yeah, so first, for beginners, just your legs. You could add in the arms to get more range, to get more of a contraction in your midsection. Or you could keep your heels off the ground and really, you could even do it this way. Whew. But it's been a while since I've done those. So yeah, that's all there is to it. You want to get a full range. It's all about quality over quantity reps. And yeah, if you did like and enjoy this workout, make sure you hit the like button, shows it to more people who might need it, and subscribe for more workouts like this one. Have a good day, everybody.
Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see another video that pairs well with this workout, click the video right here. See you in the next one.